Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Godlike Reviews. My name is Kenneth Isa, and in this video I'll take you to Sqribble review. I'll take you through the pros and cons of Sqribble, what you need to know about Sqribble, and why you need to go for Sqribble. Alright, yeah, Sqribble, for those of you who don't know what Sqribble is a product that was launched in 2018. It was launched to help authors, people generally who are looking to to grow their online businesses. So the use of Sqribble is to create ebooks, as is written here. Sqribble is to create ebooks and report in 5 minutes without typing any words. The 5 minutes is a little bit of an exaggeration, to be honest. Using this product, using Sqribble, I think you're scribbling, but to be honest, I think it takes about 10 to 15 minutes because there'll be a certain time where you have to do some little editing with the text boxes and all of that. So I think that's what takes most of the time. So we'll go through the features of Sqribble. I'll say ebooks on demand. Yeah, true. 50 hot templates. 50 hot templates. That's another disadvantage. I think the 50 number of templates, 50 is a little bit small. I was expecting it to be at least more than that. 300 style templates, unlimited pages, and sell to clients. So yeah, in some of you will wonder, it's like, why do I have to sell to clients? I hope it won't be plagiarism. No, there's nothing like that. After scribbling, there's something called commercial license, as is written over here. What happens is the commercial. What it means is you, as the third party, after buying the Sqribble, you can use the content, the built-in content the Sqribble has provided you with, and then sell it and use the 100% profit. No questions asked. The contents are there for you, and so you don't have to worry about plagiarism. There's 15 niche categories, easy to use. So yeah, the software is actually easy to use. I think it takes about three steps into producing of your own ebook, to production of your own ebooks. So generally, I think this ebook really saves time. I think I think that's what the manufacturer is trying to beat. Something that is simple, easy to use, and saves time. And Sqribble is that product for you, to be honest. Because imagine you going through the hours, and stress of brainstorming your own content, and then someone who has Sqribble just finish scribbling in less than 15 minutes and going over to the third book and the 15th or the 50th book, and you're still there thinking of paying someone, a freelance writer, to get all those done for you. Sqribble has inbuilt content for you, so you don't need to stress yourself. And yeah, just before I forget, please, if I'm giving you value, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to turn on the bell notification button. But what that does, anytime I drop good reviews like this, you'll be the first to know, right? You'll be the first to know. And please, if I'm not giving you good value, don't forget also to leave a comment below telling me what you think I missed out, what I should have done better, because I'm open to learn. So if you want to get this Sqribble, just look. You don't get the product Sqribble, sorry, you get it's at the description. The link there is at the description below, where you get over 100%, over $100 discount. Yeah, over $100 discount, and it's written here, says 60% off now. You get from my own link, is in the description box below. So I'll go through now and tell you how you need to show you the benefits of Sqribble, and also the processes. I tell you the 3 steps on how to create your own ebook with Sqribble. Sqribble benefits. One is easy to use. I already mentioned that. Simple to use software with easy points and click technology. Yeah, it's actually click of buttons and then your book is actually being produced, but it's not as how they sell it to you and say 60 seconds. No, not that. It says here 60 seconds creation. 60 seconds creation is an exaggeration, as already mentioned. You can't create an ebook, no matter how familiar you are with product Sqribble. You can't create your own ebook in 1 minute. It's impossible. You have to edit it, it's important. You need to do all of that. The stunning designs here, they have really templates, good templates, professional templates created by professionals to help you with all that, so you don't need to stress yourself going how to design your own covers. So before Sqribble, honestly, I was using Canva. The stress of designing your own. Canva is actually easy, but the stress of designing your ebook from page to page honestly gives me a whole lot of stress. But with Sqribble, it automatically brings in the format for you for all other pages. All you need to do is just adjust your text boxes and you are good to go. Instant content here, inbuilt content. As I said earlier on, in Canva you have to bring your own content to you have to bring in your own content and paste them in the text boxes and go from one page to another, adjusting the text boxes and editing and deleting and all of that. But in with Sqribble, it's not like that. It has instant content. All you need to do is just choose the niche you're going to do, the niche you're going for, and that's all. You don't need to just keep writing anything with our automated content engine. Commercial license, I already mentioned that when you sell designs as your own and keep 100% of the profit. How good is that? Come on, that's honestly that's crazy good, man. The agency website includes portfolio to impress your potential clients with amazing Sqribble demo. So there's a demo here. You're still, if you're not still getting the whole check of everything, you can just watch this demo here. You can watch the demo here. Right now I'm not online, so I think that's why it's showing the clear error. It says creating a digital info product has never been easier yet. Just click design and publish your own ebooks, reports and white papers in minutes. Never again will you have to. Okay, so it tells you the things that Sqribble has helped you do. Why this product Sqribble was created in the first place, to beat down this this stress. It says waste hours searching for a good designer or freelancer. Yeah, I've said that before. You don't need to go maybe to Fiverr or go to Pico Workers and all those websites or networks where you have to get someone, pay someone to write content for you, and only to wait for weeks or wait days and find out that the content is not what you actually want. In Sqribble, however, you can when the content is being generated for you, you can edit it to your own suiting, and you know what you want, so it's good for you. So wait 5 to 14 days for the designer to come back on Saheli. You spend 100, you spend money, you spend over $200 paying someone to write content for you. But that's all. Sqribble was produced to help those people. Honestly speaking, those people who have been spending a whole lot of money on stuff like this. Sqribble, just with how much is it? $67. How much again? You get that. Yeah, $67. And just imagine you paying $200, $100, that's $350, and other back stuff you're doing so that you can publish your ebook. But with Sqribble, $67 for one-time payment. Yeah, it's one-time installment. You don't need to pay monthly. With Sqribble you pay one-time installment, which is serious. That is crazy. Honestly speaking, that is seriously crazy. So no installation required. Sqribble is compatible on all computers. Yeah, you don't have to worry whether you're using Windows, Mac, or whatever. Sqribble works on all devices or computer. So Sqribble is the only ebook creator you ever need. Alright, writing, design, formatting. So these are the 3 steps on how to create your own ebook with Sqribble. Just for those of you who don't know what I was talking about when I said it just takes 3 steps. Number 1, so these are the pictures and the images on what your templates look like. And see, they are really beautiful professional templates for your ebooks. So step 1, you pick a template. Obviously choose from 50 eye-grabbing designs across 15 profitable niche categories. So after picking a template, you can don't forget, after picking a template, you can also edit the template to choose your to suit what you want. If it's white, you can change it, you can change the color schemes and all of that. So it's really good, honestly. So this time it comes to the table of content and professional page layout that convert readers into buyers, you can imagine. So the template comes with a professional table of content that can convert your write-up into convert the content and just tabulate the content on the table of content. That is really good. So all those stress of going through your own content, content without Sqribble and checking where the highlighted points on Sqribble is done for you automatically, which is really good. So step 2 after that is add instant content. You go there and you choose from your niche, obviously, and they'll just really click on the button from Sqribble. inbuilt content, just generates it for you, and you have content to choose from. So add instant content. Don't have time to create content, just enter URL. And mind you, it doesn't mean that if you have Sqribble you can't use your own content. No, it's not like that. With Sqribble, even with your own content, you can always import your content from whatever website using a URL or your file from Word doc and all of that. You can still use your own content if you don't want to use Sqribble. Sqribble just makes it easy for you. Using your own content, it automatically just pushes them into the text box. You need to adjust those text boxes in the positions you want them to fill on your template. Also fill your email with selection of 1000 instant. Yeah, I've said that before. From our built-in content engine at the push of a single button. Upload your own Word file and mention that also. Then sit back as Sqribble automatically extracts the content from the document and put it straight to your new ebook. I said that you can change colors, change designs and all of that. So this product is actually flexible and it's easy to use for those people who are who have spent over $300 just to launch an ebook with your own content. You can imagine, or without your content spending over $500. So here Sqribble does that way. So step 3 is customize and publish. The customizing comes with you adjusting, adding, deleting, editing pages, headlines, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons, links, features, bullet lists and call to action areas. So don't think Sqribble is not flexible enough. It's flexible enough for you to edit the content generated by Sqribble itself. Yeah, so after generating those content, you can edit them, you can delete whatever you can change the paragraphs, put images, remove images and all of that, and hit generate and you are good to go. And ebook is there just in 3 steps. So you can see, even explaining it for you is even more than 10 minutes. So if you know how you can generate an ebook, create an ebook in 1 minute, it's in about 60 seconds you just create an eye grabbing. No. Yeah, so it's not that easy. It's not a push of a button as mentioned earlier. It's easy. You have to take your time to give. If you want to create leads, you have to take your time to produce something that's eye grabbing. If you take 60 seconds, to be honest, I don't think how eye grabbing. I don't think how, if you don't take your time to create something, I don't see how what you've created will have impact on other people. So you need to take your time to create this so that you get what you want from Sqribble. The fastest and easiest way all-in-one software for job dropping ebooks on demand. So these are samples of how ebooks on Sqribble have been created, and that's so. There's more. Here's what Sqribble will do for you. It's published directly from your Sqribble dashboard. So these are samples of leads, people's leads being increased because of the use of the ebook we created using Sqribble. Build your list faster than ever before. Everyone talks about building a list, but creating a lead magnet, ebook and report to sell or giveaway takes forever. So whenever you're thinking of how to get email, how to build your own email list, and you're looking at how to create your own ebook, it takes you time before even thinking of getting of getting the email list. But with Sqribble, just in 15 minutes, 10 to 15, 20 minutes, you have created your own lead magnet that will suit your customers. The one that will help you get leads, for your program, for your business, for your online businesses, where you can later on send emails to them. Instantly boost your conversions, opening rates, and build a massive email list by generating professional looking books that people want to read in any niche at a push of a button. So this, as I said, this is an image of someone's email is being built up after creating an ebook using Sqribble. Sell more ebooks at higher prices. So but something like this is really cool, because imagine you using Sqribble to generate an ebook and after on selling it. Okay, let's do it math a little bit. You buy Sqribble for, let's say, $67, $70, and you then use the ebook you created using from Sqribble and sell it for over $100 continuously, over and over and over again. Wow, that's a lot to say about that. Wow. Okay, so please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your bell notification button, and okay, in the description below I also have t-shirts. I have a t-shirt. You can also go look at my t-shirt of being, for those of you who are authors who are looking to grow your businesses online. You can look at my online shop where I sell t-shirts on stuff like that, online business for online businesses. I have really cool t-shirts there, for social media marketers, and go rather below the link to get in your Sqribble. You can, don't be surprised, you can see something, you may see something you will love. Alright, so that's it about Sqribble. My opinion about this product Sqribble, to be honest, it's really good. And its advantage whereas is the 50 templates I think is really bit small. I think the manufacturer should look into that and see how you can actually increase the number of templates. I think the number of templates should be increased with the number of the type of package you go for. Yeah. So what else again? And the text boxes, I was thinking maybe after generating the content, those content should just fit in the text boxes. But in Sqribble you have to edit the text boxes, because edit the text boxes to suit what you actually want. So but generally I think Sqribble is actually, from my opinion, yeah, it's really a good product. It saves time, and so it's done by professionals. The templates, with the templates, the whole setup of the whole software is really good, honestly. So these are samples on how the table of content looks like, which is really good. Automatic table of content. So this is crazy, honestly speaking. Generally this software is the real deal, to be honest. Okay, so that's it about my channel. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and anyhow, if I've not really valued the way you want it, please dislike and leave a comment below telling me what it is you want to do. Please, I really want to know how to improve myself. I don't know how to improve myself, so please leave a comment below telling me which reviews you want me to do. Until my next video, see you next time.